Right,
For
so
your
we're here.
safety, please remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside the carriage.
So here on a rather nostalgic cred is this
For your
one. It's actually featured in the American Adventure back in the day. Before it goes, obviously for those of you watching it will remember that. Runaway Mine Train along with the wagon wheel actually features at Flamingo Land now. So quite an old one is this one.
For your safety, please remain seated and keep
then we go
your
for round
arms
two.
and legs inside the carriage.
So you get 2 laps on this. And there you go.